You bastard! All right, we will eat the cake. They're right, it's too good a cake not to eat. Get the plates and knives, Walters.
Yes, sir. How many plates?
6. No, better make it 5.
Tablecloth, sir?
Yes, get the tablecloth. No, I'll get the tablecloth. And you better get the table hot.
And the little mat, sir?
Yes. Oh, and while you're at it, better get a doily.
I'll bring two for in case one goes crumple.
Okay.
Well, of course, warfare isn't all fun. Right, stop that. It's all very well to laugh at the military, but when one considers the meaning of life, it is a struggle between alternative viewpoints of life itself. And without the ability to defend one's own viewpoint against other, perhaps more aggressive ideologies, then reasonableness and moderation could quite simply disappear. That is why we'll always need an army. And may God strike me down were it to be otherwise.
Don't stand there, Corbin! Like you've never seen the hand of God before! Now, today we're going to do marching up and down the square. That is, unless any of you got anything better to do. Well, anyone got anything they'd rather be doing than marching up and down the square? Yes, Atkinson. What would you rather be doing, Atkinson?
Well, to be quite honest, Sarge, I'd rather be at home with the wife and kids.
Would you now?
Yes, Sarge.
Right, off you go. Now, everybody else happy with my little plan of marching up and down the square a bit?
Sarge,
Yes.
I've got a book I'd quite like to read.
Right, you go read your book then. Now, everybody else quite content to join in with my little scheme of marching up and down the square?
Sarge?
Yes, Wycliffe, what is it?
Well, I'm learning the piano.
Learning the piano?
Yes, Sarge.
And I suppose you want to go and practice, eh? Marching up and down the square, not good enough for you, eh?
Well,
Right, off you go. Now, what about the rest of you? Rather be at the pictures, I suppose. All right, off you go. Bloody army, I don't know where it's coming to. Right, Sergeant Major marching up and down the square. Left, right, left.
Democracy and humanitarianism have always been trademarks of the British Army.
Rubbish!